go over our first tool here in the Chrome extension that we're going to talk about. And that is actually the first and only tool that Helium10 exclusively made for people who are using the wholesale method of selling on Amazon. So this can be very helpful. You might find some use for it even if you're in the private label sector, but it's mainly for wholesale sellers. Now let's go ahead and hop right into this tool so I can show you how to use it. I'm here on a collagen peptides page, and this is the sales estimator, and this is the tool that we are going to talk about. All right, now under what circumstance can you use this? Let's just say that I'm a wholesale seller and I have an account for Live Well collagen peptides and I want to sell it. Now, all right, now I know I'm not the exclusive seller. As a matter of fact, I can see that there are 5 sellers of this product. All right, let's just take a look at 5 of those sellers here. I can see that there's somebody who's selling it for $39. Now, if they're selling it for $39, but the buy box is $35, most likely this $38.99, they are not going to be able to sell. They're not going to ever get the buy box. You know, they're not going to get the buy box with that amount. All right. That's because Amazon usually rotates the buy box for prime listings or prime offerings that are within 2% of the buy box. All right. So if I've got a product that's $100, Amazon Prime is $100, and that's the buy box. And there's another seller who's got the same exact product on the same listing for $101. I could probably have to share the buy box. All right. So different browsing scenarios might rotate that buy box. All right. So if I'm going to sell this product, I'm not going to get the sales here from everything. You know, I'm not going to take all the sales. I'm going to be sharing it with whoever has the buy box. So this is going to tell me how many competitive FBA offers there are. So it's saying that there's 2 listings within 2% of the buy box. So in this case, if I were to add my listing, and if my product was going to be a competitive FBA offer, meaning I would be within 2% of the buy box, how many total offers are there going to be on this listing? There's already 2, right? Well, we just add 1 more. It's going to be 3. Okay. So now if the buy box is $34.99 and I'm going to be at $34.99, and let's just say that there's 3 of us selling the buy box, approximately how many sales will I make per month? And this is pretty crazy, all right? Because this product is doing 17,000 units a month, all right? Why is that? I'm going to show you guys real quick X-Ray. This is the tool that there's going to be another video on. And as you can see here, 51,000 units. This product is selling 51,000 units estimated a month, all right? So keep that number in mind, 51,000. What it's doing is it's taking that 51,000 and dividing it by 3, because that's how many people would be, theoretically speaking, sharing the buy box. And so that would be equal to $600,000 a month. So now I can estimate that if I were able to get this product, this is what I would be potentially selling as long as we were all sharing the buy box equally. So wholesale sellers, this is very valuable. We got this from the wholesale formula guys over there. It's a system that they've been using for a long time to estimate how much they could potentially sell on a wholesale listing. So hope you wholesale sellers out there like it, and let us know what you think of this tool, and we'll see you in the next video.